name is Mark Lloyd and I'm Managing Director of Disability Connect. Disability Connect helps people with disabilities find the resources, support and services within Wales. I've found that a lot of people found it difficult to find what was available to people with disabilities, sort of financial support, advice on the conditions, and being able to find help within Wales. I've always liked the idea of wanting to start my own business, but because I've always been comfortable in my roles, then one day I decided that I was going to persevere with an idea. When I made the decision to start my own business, I'd done quite a lot of research on it and attended a lot of events. And when I went to those events, I was given an information pack, and it would give a lot of information about Centreprise and how I could rent an office space. I realised what a great place it was and how perfect it was for my business. I have access to computers, Wi-Fi, printing facilities, there's a receptionist who's able to help me with different things. Cara, who runs the Centreprise, as with the main businesses, she's always on hand to give advice and support. She's also able to give me contacts for people who I might not have known before. Centreprise is fantastic for start businesses and businesses because Centreprise gives you a platform to run a business without incurring the costs you'd have if you set up in a local town centre or rented a normal office space. I would never be able to persevere with a business if it wasn't for the support I had at Centreprise.